Alright everybody, welcome back to the Tacomaholic channel. A few days ago on my community section I posted a poll asking your guys' opinion to gauge some interest on me posting a bunch of short, like 2 to 3 minute videos going over some tools I purchased. Not really tools, but more along the lines of like smaller gizmos and gadget that will complement someone who already has a tool collection. The vast majority of you guys definitely seem interested in this, so I will be doing the first one of those today. And we're starting right now. And the gadget I'll be talking about today is the magnetic armband from Rack, which, in addition to being quite useful when you're working on your truck, also looks sweet when you're fist bumping in the club. Okay everyone, so here is the armband. I will of course put a link down in the description where I got this. I believe it was $13 or $14, so definitely affordable. And as I mentioned in the intro, I think this is something that is a great complement to anyone's tool collection when you're working on your vehicle. It is called the armband, so you can wear it around your wrist. What it is, it's got this Velcro strap, and each of these little pockets right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there are 5 strong magnets in there that will hold all kinds of things when you're working on your truck, from sockets, even smaller socket wrenches, screws, nails, you name it. And here's a quick shot of it loaded up so you can see easily it's holding 8 sockets and a smaller socket wrench. And just to prove how strong the magnets are, you can see, so when I'm shaking it, you really have to shake it hard for that stuff to come loose. So it's one of those things when you're working under your truck, you're at weird angles, it's a pain to have to dig around in your pocket, or you know, you got your stuff laying on the ground, rolling all over the place. This is one of those things that will just make whatever project you're working on so much easier. Another thing I like about it is quite versatile, so obviously you can wear it around your wrist. You can use it like this, just as a platform, setting it on the ground. And as you can see, you can even use it to hang as long as you leave one of these panels empty, at least one. You can hang it from the hood or any other metal surface. Doing it like this, of course, I wouldn't load it down too much, but you get the point. If you guys are like me, when you're working on your truck, it seems like half the job is just collecting the tools, getting everything in order, and figuring out what you need. So something like this might just make that sort of busy part of the job go a lot smoother, so you can transition to the actual work you're doing, which is what we all want to do anyway. So definitely encourage you guys to check this out. If you do decide to get one of these, go ahead and comment below and let me know what project you are using it for your truck. If this is your first time stopping by, please consider subscribing, give the video a like, hit that bell notification so you are notified every time I upload, which is twice a week guaranteed. And please go ahead and share the video with your friends and family. Help me get the Tacomaholic name out there. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Hopefully you have a day off of work tomorrow for President's Day, and I will see you in the next video.